Let's be honest, when we like someone, what's the first thing we do? We start chasing them, texting them, calling them, giving them attention all the time. But the more you chase, the faster they run away. You think by loving her more, she'll choose you. But reality is harsh. If you don't change your approach, you'll end up watching her marry someone else. So stop chasing her, and do this instead. It's normal to have a crush. It's completely normal to have a crush. You like her smile, the way she talks, or how she makes you feel. You imagine being with her, going on dates, building a life together. That's fine. You're human. You have emotions. But here's the problem: the moment you start chasing her, everything changes. Why chasing never works? Most guys think if I keep showing her how much I care, she'll eventually fall for me. But the reality? The more you chase, the less she values you. It's human psychology. If something is always available, people don't appreciate it. If you're constantly texting her, always making yourself available, she knows you're desperate. And desperation is not attractive. Even if you get into a relationship by chasing, deep down she'll keep looking for someone better. Eventually, you'll lose her. And one day, you'll see her with a guy who didn't chase her, but she chased him. The harsh truth: money matters. Now let's face the bitter truth. You may be the kindest, most loyal, loving guy. But in today's world, 95% of girls want financial security. They want a man who can provide a good life, stability, and future. It's not just about love. It's about survival, lifestyle, and dreams. If you don't have money, you are at a disadvantage. That's why you often see girls leaving good guys for men who are successful and ambitious. It's not because girls are gold diggers. It's because they want a life of comfort and pride. What to do instead? Focus on leveling up. So what should you do? Stop chasing her. Start chasing success. Use that energy to build your life. Work hard, develop high-value skills, start a business, grow your career, and make yourself financially strong. Go to the gym, improve your looks, dress better, learn confidence. Because when you become a high-value man, you'll realize you don't need to chase anyone. The right women will notice you. They will be attracted to your success, confidence, and aura. And the girl you once chased? She might be the one trying to get your attention now. So next time you feel like chasing her, remember this. The best way to get her attention is to stop giving her attention. And start giving that attention to yourself. Because in the end, success is the ultimate attraction. She won't choose the guy who begged for her love. She'll choose the man who built a life she wants to be part of.